up and move. Justin Arnold back here again at Flex MP, bringing another wow or workout of the week Wednesday. And we're going to continue that trend. We've been getting a lot of great feedback. In fact, it's becoming some of my more popular videos with these primal movements. And this is actually one I did today. I went for about an hour-long walk, and during that I did some of these movements, and I kept it to rep ranges. Now I'll show some of that through this video, but we're going to go through 6 movements. And this is more just active recovery. Here I go bearing the lead, but the point of this is, man, I was feeling kind of run down, but I still wanted to get some movement in. And I wanted to do a little bit more than just go for a walk in the woods. So I threw down 6 of these movements that just got my body again moving better, feeling better, and then ultimately living better, which is the goal here. Still making progress, but not draining us. If anything, energizing us to get ready to do the day, and also just put together one of these videos for you to bring value to your lives. So check out these 6 movements, primal workouts, to again, just recharge, revive, and just keep you going on making that progress. Okay, so 6 different movements. You've seen some of these, but this was done in a workout scenario, and I kind of shout out the reps as I go through these. The first one is one of these loaded beasts to the reaches. So what we're gonna do, I always like to start out like this with the knees on the ground. Get my deepest range, I know what that looks like. Press up, feel that core. With this, what we're going to do is we're going to reach. Notice I screw those arms in, and then we're just into that scorpion. You can hang out in these as long as you like, pressing through, feeling that stretch. Drive it back to that knee, almost like a mountain climber, side climber back into that beast. So again, reach into there. Get that scorpion reach. Back to that knee. Back there. Again, as fast as you want it, or as slow as you want. I'm really pressing through, feeling that lat stretch, almost like looking through my right side of my body. I'll do one more. Peekaboo. And that's what we're doing with that one. Then from here, we're just coming into a little core. I always like to get a little core. I actually brought a little blanket with me on this trip. I was looking through my book, but then I just went into those hollow rocks, just like so. So with these, if you notice the way I set up might seem different than what you've seen before, but I like to crunch up, make sure my abs are engaged, and then just kind of reach my arms and lower my legs where I feel they need to be, and then I just rock, 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 rock. Next one, I forgot a kettlebell. I will be right back. Because this one we are going to need a kettlebell for. It's a Shin box leg extension halo. It's a mouthful. Okay, I got a lighter kettlebell. It's really all you need for this one. And if you don't have a kettlebell, don't worry, you can still do the Shin box to leg extension. But we're just going to drop whatever leg is in back. This is the Shin box. I'm gonna come here, open up that hip. Whatever leg is facing, that's the way of the halo. We're just going to bring that leg back, nice and controlled. Now we want to keep upright here. Open up that hip, keep upright. And what I mean by that, I'm going to put this kettlebell down to show you what I mean. So when you're here, you want to rotate. You need to put the hands back here. You don't want to use that lower back or lean back, but basically you're just here, sweep that leg around, open up, kettlebell halo, put that leg back, slow down. I like to go slow because this back hip really opens up. So here, sweep around. Let's just get that kettlebell. And again, leg back. And you can even press that out. Get a lot going with that as well. From here, we're going to add a little bit of one of my favorite stretches here. So V stretch to what's called a plow, or just a hamstring raise. So hamstring here. Watch out for any boxes. Hamstrings. So we're opening up the hamstrings, the hips. This really loosens up the back too, just adding that little roll. You know what, if you can't get those feet to the ground, get as far as you can with that, okay? But open up the hips, open up those hamstrings, opening up that back. Again, one of my favorites. Then from here, we're gonna get in that loaded beast bear crawl. We're gonna add a push-up, and then we're just doing these under switches. So from here, we're gonna go into that push-up, go as low as you can, press up. We're going to step a leg here, drive those hips up, open up those hips some more, reach up, or you can even reach over, whatever you prefer. Reach up, reach over, back through, and just make sure you alternate. We're gonna get about 10 of these. So most of these we're doing about 10 reps total. And again, I'll throw some of this more down below. I love these because you get a little bit of a workout with this, like I was talking about. You're getting some active recovery, especially on those hips, that low back, and everything like that. And then doing it in nature is just a great way to do it. And this last one, probably the easiest of the bunch. Like, let me take this off. What you're basically going to do is reach. Now, don't arch your neck too much, but you're going to reach here, reverse snow angel, hands on your back. And if you're just tuning in, you're wondering what this bandage is on my hand. Well, over the weekend while I was cooking, had a little cooking accident and cut my hand open around the knuckle. So I just keeping it wrapped, keeping it clean, keeping it protected, keeping it closed up. I'm okay though. For the first day though, I couldn't really grip much. Now I'm back to moving, feeling pretty good, able to grip stuff. Again, just keeping it covered. But this is all you're doing. You're reaching, really getting some nice mobility and working those shoulders and that back. And if you can't get your hands here, don't worry about it. Get as far as you can. I know some people that can like lift up really high here. I can't do that. Been working on it, been a work in progress, but there was a time where I couldn't even do this, especially after my rotator cuff surgery. So those are your 6 movements, and I hope they help you as much as they did me. I felt like I got a good workout, but it didn't drain me. I felt like now, tomorrow, I can hit it hard with the weights, do some lifting, do some hypertrophy stuff, some bodybuilding stuff if I want to. But again, I feel ready to go for tomorrow, and I still feel like I didn't lose anything. I like to move, and I hope you do too. We want to find the love in the movement, not feeling like it's a chore. And so I hope you find some love with this, because it's loving yourself, loving your body, and helping you love people a little bit better, because it's taking the stress load off. And again, when we can feel better, when we can move better, it can lower our stress levels, and then we can just live that better life. And those around us are truly impacted as well. And that's why we do this. That's why we do this, okay? And then, of course, if you can love the skin you're in a little bit better, that's always a good thing too. But I'll tell you this, you should love it anyways. Love you, love yourself at whatever stage you're at right now, and just know that you're doing everything possible each day to move one step further to a better version of you. That's all we can ask for. Anyways, hope this video helps. Hope you got as much enjoyment out of doing this workout as I did. And if you have any questions, you know what to do. Take care. Peace. Love. Hey, thanks for checking out videos just like these. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click on notifications below to stay up to date on all these videos that we post here throughout the week. And again, tag a friend underneath if you think they might benefit from these videos. And if you need further training or further information or a little more personalized programming to meet your needs, we can create a customized roadmap to meet your needs here at FlexMP. Just click on that link below. Again, contact us today at FlexMP to get you moving better, living better, and feeling better.